Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make a menu pumpkin for upcoming gatherings and dinners with family and friends. So I used Cricut Design Space on my computer to design out the menu and include all of the different foods that we were going to include in our meal. And then I used the black vinyl. So I'm just going to make sure that the Cricut is set to vinyl, and then I'm going to load the mat in and press the arrow, and then I'm just going to press the C, blinking C, and it will start cutting my project. Once you're done printing, you can take the vinyl off of the mat. And then you're going to want to peel up the excess vinyl and just leave behind the stickers that you want on your pumpkin. Once you have all of your words separated from the other vinyl, you can put them back on the mat, and then you can use just a clear transfer paper to cover on top of them so that you can peel them off and then put them on the pumpkin. Then once you've peeled the letters away from the backing, you can center them on your pumpkin. And then you can secure them by kind of scraping them in place carefully.